Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at another cryptocurrency chart. We take a look at Link. Cryptocurrencies are currently suffering. A lot of the altcoins are suffering, but we are still in larger support areas. So we're going to take a look at whether Link has a chance to turn around. Let's go. Okay, we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here we click on our cryptocurrencies section. We also cover tech stocks and other asset classes. You can get all of these updates completely for free if you register on our website. Just follow the link in the description. As I said, it's completely for free. You get a look at all of these updates. So today we want to take a look at Chainlink, however, and we take a look at the long-term chart first, then take a look at the shorter time frame. If you register, you also get the written update, including support, resistance levels, everything's here for you. But let's take a look at the larger time frame first. Let's look at the structure, and you can see that here on this chart we are looking at quite a bullish outlook for Link. We had a long-term accumulation phase down here that was sort of this long sideways phase, took more than a year, and it's probable that this wave 2 bottomed and we are now in this larger third wave. Minimum expectation for this larger third wave is sort of the $100 mark. So long-term targets $100 plus for Link. It could be that this upcoming altcoin season, if it happens, I mean, we still need a local low confirmation. At the moment, we had a first rally and a higher low, as you can see on the chart. But what we now need to see is that the correction that started in March, this needs to complete. So we're waiting, we're watching the market closely. We're monitoring the microstructures really closely to get an understanding of whether Link is trying to form a reversal or not. At the moment, there isn't really the strong evidence for it, but down here we're watching for a reversal. We take a look at the shorter time frame in a minute, but you can see that from here a third wave could start. Actually, the third wave should be in the making already. A break above that 38.65 level here would be a good indication that we're heading higher. That's an important resistance level on the larger time frame. So I would say now we take a look at the smaller time frame. So in here you can see that we're currently in a support region. Okay, so that is something that is very important. With a probability of actually 70%, we expect that the market is already turning around to the upside and that we can avoid a break below that $8 mark here. Okay, so this is something that is based on the analysis for us the most probable outcome. Please note that obviously also a 30% probability, which we assign to the alternative scenario, which is another low before we form a long-term low and reversal. That's also quite substantial. I mean, 30% is way less than 70, of course, and the preferred scenario indicates that we are holding the August low. Still, I'm not convinced by the structure that we've seen since this August low. It looks corrective. We haven't really seen that impulse, and we need to see a break above this green line here around $21. It's whether it's a little bit above it, a little bit below it needs to be a convincing break. So it's always a little bit of a range, right? What we want to get to is we want to get a sustained break above this area here, these swing highs that formed back in March. This would be really convincing, and this would be a good indication that a larger degree third wave has started and would be a third wave of a third wave. But for now, we're still hovering in this trading area down here. And this is certainly an area where we can watch for a reversal. Again, I'm not convinced yet that we've actually seen. I mean, it could still test the box a little bit lower, could still form another low, as long as we're holding above the red line and as long as we, hold, as I said, hold above the August low, it is plausible to watch for a third wave to the upside. But the probabilities for another low are still quite high, and we have to consider the entire crypto sector, which since the August low has just been suffering pretty much. There have been some rallies here and there, but overall the rallies have been very corrective. So there hasn't really been that upside momentum that we want to see that would give us some really good feeling, let's say that would make us confident about this next rally. So for now, we still have to be a little bit patient. That's sort of the message at the moment in the crypto sector. Obviously, cryptos can turn around at an instant, we know that, but since March, all of these altcoins, most of them most of the altcoins that we cover as well, they have been caught in a correction, and they now need to give us a little bit of upside momentum to get some confidence that the lows are in. But it's looking interesting because we're very close to a low in our opinion. So it's certainly the time to be watching the chart. So I hope you liked the update about Link. If you like the update, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments which cryptocurrency or tech stocks or other asset classes you want me to cover in a future video. Also activate the notification bell and don't forget to register on the website. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.